What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 20 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, May 14th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. And before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, as you can see on my screen, your boy is down almost 30% in his Chris Sain portfolio. All I have maybe just 2 green ones, and Apple is barely in there with 0.39%. It's all good. And again, if you're new to the series, this doesn't track after hours activity. So when you see my portfolio in the app, my numbers might be a little bit skewed because I also have 2 to 3 more plays that are outside of this challenge. So just FYI. But yeah, just remained calm and steady. I just chilled this week. In terms of building out more of my plays. I did do a few option plays, and I'll show you that here in a second. So we can go ahead and skip really just transactions because, again, I didn't buy any more stocks. Yeah, go to options. So Chris had talked about the Snapchat play, and just to give you more context of what happened with this one. So, well, first things first, the ones that are red are dead, ones that are green, I won on that one. So, this bottom one right here, this Snapchat play, I did when Chris told us to get into it as a put option play. And when I got into it, well, he said get into it, at that point in time when the market was closed. So that's when I got into it. And it took a while for me to actually get in the option play because it didn't do it right off the bat. So when I actually got into it, it was somewhat low already, and then it started going up. So the time decay within the option kind of killed it just a little bit, but then it started going back down on the put, which helped increase my my money. So basically what happened was I was able to increase my return on investment on the option, but once it hit 100%, or once it hit basically a 0% return, that's when I got out of it because I was afraid I was gonna lose more money on it because I didn't know how the option was gonna play out. So I made literally, I think, $1 on this play because it didn't look too good at the very beginning, again because I got kicked in pretty late in the game. Let's see, then I told you guys last week I was gonna get at a nano, and I went ahead and did that, and of course I lost my shirt on this one at 259. So right now, total returns, I'm down 554 on options so far, and I am gonna buy into Chris Sain's options course next week, or next Wednesday, I think it is, to help tweak my game and figure out what's the best way to go about doing it. But all the ones that are green are pretty much Chris's plays, except for I think Neo might be mine. But the nano one I got right when the correction happened, and it just destroyed it, absolutely destroyed this option. So no worries, I'm still learning, and these 2 that are white are still in play, just FYI. And I did not deposit any money this week. And when we go into my app, I'm going to show you for confirmation to let you know that I did not deposit any more money this week. And thank you guys so much for being so responsive on the Dogecoin request. I actually sold off half of my my profit, and then I got back into it because I heard that Elon said that he's considering using Dogecoin as a financial vehicle to purchase Tesla, right? And because of that, simply because that it's more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin, right? So I got back into it at a slightly higher price, so you're gonna see my buying power slightly different, just FYI. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. Your boy is currently sitting at 92.2339. Today up 3.85%. For the week, though, your boy is down 8.85%. And again, my buying power is up from the last time we talked or reviewed this thing because of Dogecoin, just FYI. And let's see. So Apple for the week, down 124. Let's just actually do this. Let's go to the heavy hitters when you guys actually care about, I guess. G-Nog. G-Nog actually did pretty decent today. Let's see, for the week though, down 12%. My market value on this is basically 1,400, and total return I'm still down 30% in this play. Hopefully things start picking up next week. Let's go back. APXT for the week, I'm down 0.59%. Market return, I'm still down a little bit over 32%. Tattooed Chef for the day, almost 6%, but for the week, I'm up 1.72%. But total return is still down almost 30%. And then Future FinTech had a good push today. Let's see. Then for the week though, still down 16.91%. Total return, I'm still down more than 50%. And just to show you guys my transfers that I did not add any more to my buying power from my checking account. So as you can see right here, guys, completed transfers. The last deposit that I made was April 30th. So again, it's been a minute before I put some more money into this thing. But again, I'm gonna put my feet up, let everything start turning the way it should, and then probably like in a week or so, pounce on the other ones, or I might even wait later on that for like the Apple and the Facebook stocks to drop a little bit lower, so I can get more of those to help even out my portfolio. So, but yeah, guys, that's all I have for the video. If you made it this far, give your boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.